Technology in motion. Witness the power of modern engineering in action as machines conquer challenges. From cutting-edge precision to raw strength, this is innovation at its peak. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Let's dive right in. It was a heart-pounding moment, but thanks to quick thinking, he avoided danger. Could this get any worse? Always remember to check all angles. Cutting trees is not just a task, it requires skill, focus, and precision. It could have been disastrous. Can you explain why people often underestimate these dangers? Don't worry, I'm an expert, he says confidently. Let's see how it goes. He knew the risks, so he always planned ahead. You won't believe it, but even a tree can topple a heavy vehicle. When someone is in need, teamwork makes all the difference. Always stay alert, unexpected things happen. Planning and caution can make all the difference. This is why safety precautions are a must. Never underestimate potential hazards. Time is running out. I'm sorry, but this won't end well, he admits. Oops, there goes my wallet again. Hurry, run before the tree falls. The damage could have been far worse. The rope held strong. Or maybe we just found a real-life Spider-Man. Despite all the warnings, he chose to take a chance. He seemed to have foreseen this outcome. Do you see the spark of brilliance? It's nothing compared to the lessons learned today. This is a challenging move. Never underestimate the strength of nature. Ladders and tree felling don't mix safety first. That's why experts avoid them. A small mistake can cause long-term pain. Let's hope he's okay. Every step must be calculated precisely, especially in urban tree cutting. It's a risky business in the city. No way. Haha, no way. This job is challenging, even when every detail is carefully planned. But perhaps it's a learning opportunity for the future. But mistakes, they teach. At Europe's largest marble mine, Biro's marbles utilize is top-tier equipment. Komatsu and Caterpillar wheel loaders operate at full capacity. Their 30-ton capacity boosts productivity. These loaders are equipped with engines of up to 500 horsepower, designed to thrive in harsh quarry environments. Efficiency meets durability. The Fendt 720 for tractor in action is a sight to behold. It effortlessly pulls the Lemken 5-axle plow, transforming the fields with precision. Each plow turn aerates and loosens the soil, promoting healthy air circulation and microbial growth. This accelerates green manure decomposition, enriching the soil with vital nutrients. Curious how a giant crane like the T-Rex AC-1009 is installed. The Austrian company Pringle is on an ambitious mission. At the Parndorf construction site, this powerhouse can lift up to 1,000 tons. Transported in parts, its assembly requires extraordinary precision, ensuring every piece fits perfectly. The ILFB 2000 lawnmower boasts an incredible 2,000 horsepower, powered by a robust 4-stroke engine. It cuts and processes biomass with remarkable efficiency, handling up to 20 tons per hour with ease. Track maintenance has become simpler and more efficient, thanks to the innovative Colmar. The T1000 FSC is a specialized lifting machine designed for heavy-duty operations on rails. With a load capacity of up to 10,000 kilograms, it handles large loads effortlessly, equipped with a powerful motor and a precision control system. Introducing the Mesmerizing C21XL, a wood crushing champion. With its optimized design and intelligent controls, and more efficiently than any competitor. Two sharp blades work seamlessly with its chopping system, delivering exceptional performance, transforming wood piles into sawdust in a matter of moments. As you've witnessed, a truck rescuing a bus is no small feat. Ford's strength and durability make it possible. Looking for the best firewood sawing solution? Comment No. 1 and let Halverson on the Kubota platform deliver amazing results. Behold two incredible machines, the Sennebegin 8-1E and John Deere 1-70A. Working together in perfect harmony, with Sennebegin lifting and positioning massive tree trunks, precisely cutting and peeling bark, the Synergy delivers an efficient and seamless logging process, transforming green forests into piles of wood, ready for sustainable use. The Action Linux blade lowers, embracing the tree. With unmatched force, it severs the tree stump in the blink of an eye. Then the blade rises automatically, ready for the next precise cut. Using the TFG Tree Services Compact Chipper, processing branches becomes simpler and faster than ever. This advanced chipper handles small branches up to 10 centimeters in diameter, creating uniform wood chips, perfect for recycling or repurposing as mulching material. The wood sawing process at this factory is remarkable, especially the beautiful black ironwood logs, processed with precision by modern sawmills. With just a few accurate operations, logs up to 60 centimeters in diameter are transformed into perfect boards up to 4 meters long, ready for premium products. Tree cutting is a demanding profession that requires skill and precision. Every cut must be carefully calculated, as safety is paramount in every operation. The sight of the Fuchs 350 MHL in action is awe-inspiring. The crane extends like a giant hand, grasping a massive log with ease. The crane carefully lowered, placing the log in perfect alignment, precision at its finest. With the Husqvarna T540 XP chainsaw, climbers can easily tackle challenging branches. It delivers precise cuts, even at hard-to-reach heights. Always maintain balance and control, ensuring safety during operation. With its power and precision, tree cutting from above has never been easier. The Pezzolato KV700, a marvel of engineering, easily processes logs up to 41 centimeters in diameter. With its integrated electric cutter for 110, it delivers precise cuts effortlessly. An old Kentucky farmer's trick. Use wheels, under chains to pull stumps more easily. Charging uphill like a beast demonstrates unmatched durability and the power to conquer any challenge. Although these birch trees are dangerously close to buildings, posing a significant risk, modern preparation and machinery ensure the task is handled safely and effectively. The second tree had a larger diameter than the chainsaw was tall, but with skill and precision, it was no challenge. The Fendt 936 Black Beauty and Pezzolato PTH 1000 combine to create immense power, gliding through dense forests effortlessly, crushing every obstacle in their path. Woodcracker Westek and Essen Maschinen AG offer a trio of outstanding machines, symbols of innovation and efficiency in the woodworking industry. Imagine the Woodcracker, a hunter-like machine, capable of gripping large logs in the blink of an eye. The TigerCat M726, a powerhouse for navigating dense areas with ease. This beast is powered by a robust engine that delivers extraordinary cutting performance, turning dense vegetation into manageable pieces effortlessly. Imagine, in no time it's the pinnacle of efficiency. Maintaining balance with advanced control systems and avoiding dangerous slides with precision. The Merlo MM350 combined with Treme AHWIM 650H is a game-changing duo. They redefine how dense vegetation is managed effectively. With cutting-edge technology, this partnership conquers every forestry challenge, setting new standards for performance and durability. Despite its compact size, it delivers exceptional power, maneuvering through dense forests effortlessly. It handles trees with absolute precision. The H45 harvester excels in cutting and peeling, transforming heavy logs into perfectly prepared timber. This mobile sawmill processes rough logs with ease, handling lengths of up to 5.2 meters efficiently. Watch it turn massive logs into perfect boards, maximizing the potential of every grain. You'll be amazed at how it creates precise cuts, producing smooth surfaces as if the wood transforms with each powerful movement. Powered by a 49 horsepower engine, this machine splits and cuts wood effortlessly, delivering outstanding results in firewood production. With precise cutting capabilities and an intuitive user-friendly design, it transforms even the toughest logs into manageable pieces in no time. The Tiger LH100 55 tool set stands out as a game changer in felling and woodworking technology. Whether facing steep terrain or dense forests, this machine tackles every challenge with confidence.